So the most important thing in video editing is to add transition. So as you can see guys, we can't really add transition directly. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to select the first clip, and now I'm going to click on this animate, and now let's go to the animate out, and now I'm going to select slide right, and now we have the next clip. So let's go back to timeline, select this one, and I'm going to click on this animate, and for this video I'm going to select in animation. So I'm going to select this one, and now if we go back, as you can see, now we have this animation, but we have to drag this clip and place this on top of this clip, and I'm going to place this right here. And now if we play this video, as you can see, now we have this beautiful transition. So now I'm going to select this one, go to the animate, and now in out animation I'm going to select this one. And now if I play this video, as you can see, it doesn't overwrite the transition or the animation, it just add another animation. So we have to delete this one. So I'm going to select this one, or you can hover your mouse and we have this cross icon, click here, it will delete this one. And now I'm going to also delete the opacity, and now as you can see, we only have this pulse animation. And now I'm going to also add this animation to the next clip. So let's select this one, go to the animate, and now we have to delete. So select this, press backspace, I'm going to select this one, press backspace, add this animation, select this one, and I'm going to select this graph, go back to timeline. And now if I play this video, now you can see guys, we have this smooth transition. So this is how you can use animate to add transition between two clips.